I'm Coach Pirillo. Thank you for tuning in to Teach Visit. I apologize for my voice, but this activity is called Big Pin Mania. And here's what you're gonna need. We've got these big inflatable pins. I believe in US Games catalog, I think they still have those there available. We're using different size balls. We were working on overhand throwing. For our second and third grade classes, we gave them a choice of 3 different kinds. So the Koosh fleece type ball, a softball size foam coated, and the 6 1/4 inch diameter foam coated one. For fourth and fifth, we only gave them choices of the smaller size ball. So we let them choose, and then as they're playing, if they want to change, we let them change out that equipment, but they had to bring back the ball they were using to try a different ball if they wanted to do it. In our activity, we had the kids partner up. If you have enough equipment in space, of course, you can have the kids go by themselves. So I'm going to take turns with my partner. We are our students on the sidelines of the gym, throwing the ball, trying to knock over the bowling pin. So I have to try to knock it over. I miss, so I'm going to go out, I'm going to get my ball, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to hand it to my partner. So I get it, I go back, give it to my partner, and then I wait against the wall, so that way they have room to throw. Anytime the ball knocks down that bowling pin, I would have to stand it up, I would have to get my ball, and then I'd go to the middle and get a bean bag. So I'd go to the middle, grab one bean bag, and bring it back. Okay, and then my partner's turn to go. When all the bean bags have been collected, we end the activity. We look for a certain color bean bag. I also wrote numbers on my bean bags to help with the little ones so that people don't take their bean bag. So we also use the numbers too. Sometimes I'll look for like this, red 13, woo, we won. Or count your red and green bean bags, or count your blue and yellow ones, or you can assign each color to a different numbered value. Red and green are worth 2, but purple is worth -1. So you can also throw that in there for your older kids. So be creative with the point system. If there's time, we'd have the kids put the equipment back, and then we would start again. I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo, reminding you to keep on moving.